Hi, my name is Hugh Smiley, and I'm sitting beside beautiful Inglis Falls on the Saugeen River just south of Owen Sound with my good friend Gila David, and we're on our way back from Manitoulin Island, where we just celebrated a 4-day deep summer retreat on the Wikwemkong First Nations unceded territory. And we had the honor of participating in two extensive sweat lodges with Grand Chief Tony Takan from the Dakota Sioux Nation in Saskatchewan, and storytelling in the Nishnaabe Aboriginal tradition, a taste of native cuisine. We practiced some exercises in mindfulness, the Corazon method of authentic voice and dialogue, powwow, a pontoon trip to the world-famous fish and chips of Killarney, and we were a group of about a dozen people or more, also from various places in Ontario, also participating with some of the local community at Wikwemkong. So one of the highlights of this experience really was the intercultural aspect. Two cultures coming together to learn together, to share. And this morning, down by Lake Huron, beside the sweat lodge of the teepee which we constructed together, our native friends and hosts were so kind and so warm in basically inviting us into their family and saying that now we're all brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles, and we felt very cherished and embraced. And the generosity of our hosts was really something that we will never forget. We hope to do it again next August, second weekend in August. So we will let you know, and maybe you can join us too. Till then, my friends, I'll say in the Nishnaabe language, Megwich, thank you, and Mama Pi, till we see each other again.